This is Colin O'Keefe here as part of our coverage of the 2015 Legal Marketing Technology Conference West coming up October 14th through the 16th in San Francisco. And as part of that, I'm speaking now with Adrian Lurssen. He is co-founder and VP of Strategic Development at JD Supra, and he's speaking at the event on content marketing. Adrian, obviously a very popular subject nowadays. Marketers always want to get involved in it, but the hardest part of it often seems to be how do you motivate lawyers to write content? How do you inspire them to put in the work to put out great content?
The great question, and we hear it all the time, and we try to answer it all the time. And I was talking to my co-panelists this morning about the various strategies and tactics that they're aware of. I think that basically what you want to do is create a situation in which your writers, your attorneys are not writing into a void in which there's no feedback loop. And I think that the feedback loop comes in two forms: positive reinforcement and also healthy competition, which I think this type of writer responds to well. So for example, however it is their work is getting out there and being read, if you are supporting them in their efforts to make sure that they know the various milestones and benchmarks depending on what the objectives are. You know, this piece of content reached this number of people in the last month. This has been one of our most popular updates. And that kind of positive reinforcement also leads to data that can make you make all kinds of other decisions about whether or not to keep on writing on that subject, whether or not that subject is resonating with an audience, what have you. But what we have heard from our clients is that the inspired writers are the ones that actually hear back from their support teams, how they're doing. And, we actually just sent out a tip on this very subject in which we were quoting some of the in-house means for this kind of competition and positive reinforcement. And that's everything from highlighting an author in an internal newsletter for reaching some kind of milestone, for having the most popular content for the firm for the month, or even a firm that has a roving trophy that goes to some attorney for having written the best piece of content. Again, the milestones, the benchmarks need to be internally determined, but hitting some kind of benchmark that rewards them. And that reward, seen by everybody, leads to fierce competition and everybody wants to participate. We see that happen time and again.
Mm-hmm. Positive feedback is essential, and of course with lawyers, we both know competition is a big motivator. Once again, that was Adrian Lurssen of JD Supra. If you're not already signed up to see him and his co-panelists speak at the event, be sure to do so at lmatechconference.com, and for more of our coverage, visit us at lxbn.com/lmatech15. Thank you for joining me today, Adrian.
Thanks.